Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm finally going to get around to replacing my Air Ride manifold. So if you follow the Air Ride series, when I put this in, it was leaking right out of the gate. Brand new, put it in, it was leaking right where this fitting was pressed into the case here, which is the right front wheel. So it wasn't leaking really bad because obviously I've been driving the car for the last 9-10 months or whatever, but it would slowly leak down. So it was a little bit of a pain in the ass, and there was a whole warranty thing. I thought they were gonna just send me one out right away because it was bad out of the box, but you either had to take it out of the car, send it back, God knows how long that would take, or you could pay 250 bucks and they'll give you a replacement. But at the time, they had none. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna wait till I do a big project on the car, like the 6-speed swap, where I can, take it out, send it to them, they can take their time, get it back to me. But they had one in stock, ready for me, so they had it to me in like 2 days. So we're gonna put this in the car today, air it up, check all the lines, check all the fittings, make sure there's no leaks, and then get the old one back to them in time. So we're gonna get ahead, take that old thing out there, and get this in. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is unbolt it, just so I have enough room to get to the lines. Okay, next I'm just going to disconnect this here. And I'm going to actually label all of these lines here, just so nothing gets mixed up when I'm swapping them over. Okay, now I'm going to just push each one of these in. I have a small, it's an 11 mil wrench. I'm gonna kind of push in the connector here. And pull this straight out. Like that. The car's obviously aired out at this moment, but there's still a little residual air in the tank and probably in some of the air springs. So I just hit the pressure relief valve on this just to get the rest of the air out of the tank, so I can take off the tank to manifold line here. All right, so I got it free. It's that easy. All right, now I'm gonna go back with the new one, same way as I came out with the old one. Okay, so I have it all calibrated now, and I have the pressure set at my ride height, which is like 134 and 65 in the rear. So I'm gonna keep this aired up, and now I'm gonna spray all these fittings with just soap and water, and I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and just double check and make sure there's no leaks. All right, so it's been about a half an hour and it's not leaking at all, so I think that did it. All right, so everything turned out well, no more leaks, which is nice, so hopefully we won't have any more issues. All in all, I am really happy with Airlift. Their warranty's great, and they did honor what they said and got that right out to me. So if you enjoyed that video, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.